Hello everybody, hopefully you're doing well. We'll start up with a new lesson, Animal Systems. Before we start our lesson, please stop the video and think how and why it is important for us to learn our body systems. Let us start with the skeletal system. Skeletal system is made up of bones, tendons and ligaments. The skeletal system has two main functions. First, it provides the protection for some soft body organs. For example, our rib cages protect the heart and lungs. The skull, for example, is hard enough to shield the delicate brain from injury. The second function of the skeletal system, that is, it provides a solid framework for the body. Bone gives structure to the body and allow it to move. Bone, though, move freely, but they do not have power to move on their own. The power to actually produce movement is provided by the muscular system. The skeletal muscles are attached to bones by tough rubbery tendons. When one muscle shortens, the bone moves. Muscles that cause movement actually work in pairs, or they work in opposing groups. For example, when you run, one muscle group pulls your legs up, and the opposing muscle, it pulls the legs down. When a muscle contracts, it actually pulls on the bone it is attached to. At the same time, another muscle will relax, allowing the bone to move. You can see a clear example over here that when you are contracting, the one muscle is contracting, the other one relaxes when you pull up on your arm, and when you release it, you see that one is again contracted and the upper one is relaxed. When, for example, you want to run, an electrical nerve signal is sent from the brain to the muscles in your legs. This causes the muscles to shorten or contract. Now this contracted muscle pulls on the tendon, which moves up the leg bone, and in result you start to run. We should keep this in mind, that muscles can only pull, they never push. As you run, the pair of muscles in your legs contract and relax. Invertebrates such as arthropods' skeletal system is found on the outside of their bodies. This exoskeleton is a tough, rigid structure connected by flexible joints. Like the vertebrate skeletal system, the exoskeleton of invertebrates also provides protection and supports and helps with its movement. Now, for an arthropod such as this grasshopper, it needs to shed its exoskeleton and create a larger one to grow.